goodness gracious. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever Sephora and Ulta haul on my channel. I'm super excited. I went crazy the other day and just decided to actually get a lot of makeup. It's a lot of makeup to me. So I wanted to share this little haul with you guys. I typically don't do hauls with makeup. You know, usually over time I'll just get a product here and there, or I'll get, you know, consecutive products, but I never go in and do one big load of products at a time. So I'm really excited to share my first haul with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. So we're gonna start off with Sephora because I only got 2 products from Sephora. The majority of my haul is from Ulta. So what triggered this Sephora haul was I needed some new skincare products. My skincare routine was crap, so I needed some new products that were actually going to help my skin, and my skin wasn't not the greatest condition, so I really needed something that was going to help improve it. So I needed a new cleanser, so I went ahead and decided to get the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. I have a great friend that recommended this to me, and I value her opinion a lot, so I decided to go ahead and pick this up. She has dry skin like I do, so I figured that it would be a good, you know, cleanser for me, and so far I have loved it. It is very frothy. It really has lots of suds. It'll suds up on the face, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling super dry, and with my already dry skin, I don't need a cleanser that's going to do that. So that was my first item. I also decided to pick up a moisturizer, which my good friend also recommended to me. It's the Belif, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I needed something that was going to be more of a cream because I feel like those are better for dry skin. And of course, if you have oily, something that has more of a water gel kind of feeling, kind of texture to it, that's going to be best for oily skin. So I decided to go with the cream. So I decided to go with her recommendation, the Belif, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I also did lots of research and decided to pick this up. It's an amazing moisturizer. I love this one so much. It's just a good heavier cream. It's not something that's too thin where you're going to have to use a lot of product just to get the moisture that you need. Once you slap this stuff on your face, your skin is going to feel amazing. It's going to feel moisturized, and it's not going to over moisturize it either. It sinks into the skin very quickly and leaves your skin feeling amazing and very nice the next day. I'm so impressed with these skincare products so far. So successful Ulta trip for sure. All right, and moving on to Ulta. So let's start off with this. I finally, you know, caved in and got the Anastasia Sultry Palette. I have been really loving this palette. I did a tutorial using this palette and also did sort of a first impressions, but I've been loving this palette. I just love it so much. I honestly was not impressed when I first saw this palette, but as I looked at it and looked at it and looked at it and looked at it, I loved it more and more. So finally decided to cave in and I got it. I'm actually wearing it on the eyes today. I did combine it with another palette, but I'm using a shade from here on my eyelids, and it's just a beautiful palette. It's perfect for the holidays. So you guys be prepared. I'm gonna load you up with some holiday makeup tutorials. So that was one item that I got. Let's see what is next in the bag. Oh, I got some more Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I had this quite a while back, was kind of being lazy and didn't repurchase it, but I love the product to death. So I also needed a new concealer. I needed a new concealer, I guess I should say, but I just love this concealer. It's one of the best concealers out there in my opinion. It has such a creamy pigmented formula. It provides bomb coverage, and when you love an under eye highlight, this concealer is just for you. So I love it. It's good on the under eyes. Doesn't really, you know, bring out any like fine lines or anything. It just really covers up those dark circles you need and highlights the under eye area as well. So let's see. Oh, I got some Morphe liquid lipsticks. These are my first lipsticks from Morphe. The first shade I got is Hot Shot, which I'm wearing on my lips right now and I'm obsessed with, to say the least. And then I got Peanut, which is a warm tone brown. It has a little bit of a reddish undertone to it, but I'll give you guys a close-up, but it's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to wear this, and it's going to be perfect for the fall. So once I get me a warm tone eye look going on, this is going to be my go-to lip for sure. And I really like these lipsticks. Like, they don't feel too drying. They do dry down to a matte, but they don't feel over drying. They don't suck all the life out of your lips, and they leave them feeling really pretty. It leaves them looking really pretty, and I'm liking it so far. Okay, so the next product that I got is a Juvia's Place loose highlighter. This is the Nubian loose highlighter in Nefertiti. It's really pretty. It's a gold. It's going to be perfect for this summer. Packaging is really pretty. It's just a soft gold. You can see in the little tub there. Super gorgeous. Loose highlighters do scare me a bit because I know they can get messy, but once I work my way around it, I think it'll be good. I did try it out today, and I had to put on another highlighter over it just because this one was a tad bit dark once I got to packing it on. But super good pigmentation, and I'm loving it so far. I was happy to find an Ulta location that sold Juvia's Place. Didn't find a palette that I quite was sold on, so skipped out on the palettes, but decided to go for a highlighter. And plus, you can never have enough highlighters, in my opinion. So that was a good buy for sure. So the Ulta that I went to actually had a eyelash, like a high-end eyelash section. So they sold House of Lashes, which I was super excited about. I've tried one pair of House of Lashes. I just usually go for some good Ardell lashes because you can't go wrong with those. But I decided to go ahead and pick up some House of Lashes. These are the Allura Light, and I'm wearing them right now. They are really pretty. They're nice. They finish off an eye look really well, but they don't, totally cover your eyes and cover up all of your eyeshadow. So I just like lashes that give the eyes a nice touch without actually covering all the eyeshadow. Like, girl, where did your eyeshadow go? I spent 30 minutes blending out eyeshadow. I'm not going to let them be covered up by lashes. So my final product that I decided to pick up was, this is in shambles. This is the Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. I've heard Jaclyn Hill talk about it a lot, so I did decide to pick it up. And it was only $7, so I figured if it's a miss, if it's not the greatest thing, I don't lose out on that much money. But this is it. Excuse it. It is a little dirty, but I really do like it. I like to use this sharp edge to really bake and carve out my contour, and then I'll use the rounded side to blend out my foundation, and then the pointed side for concealer. It's not as bouncy and soft as the actual Beauty Blender, but it blends in foundation really well. I mean, if the Beauty Blender was no longer in existence, I would probably die inside, but if there's this, I think that I could live my life okay. So that is my Ulta and Sephora haul. I feel like I blew through it really quickly, but I just kind of wanted to get to the point and just show you guys some new makeup products. If you guys have added any new makeup products to your makeup collection lately that you've been loving, make sure that you let me know it down in the comments so I can go pick them up and try them out and, I don't know, get some new makeup. That's really all I want in life. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe before you head out so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I'll be having lots of tutorials and fun videos coming to you guys on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Also, I'm on social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Twitter, all of those great social media platforms. I'll have the usernames in both of the corners on the screen above, and they will also be listed down in the description box if that's easier for you guys. So make sure you go hit me up there, follow me, check me out. I don't know, just follow me. I post a lot on social media, so make sure you guys go check me out there. You guys have a fantastic week. Jesus loves you guys so very much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.